HTML page structure. Below is a visualization of an HTML page structure. Only the body area, the white area, is displayed by the browser. The Doctype declaration. The Doctype declaration helps the browser to display a web page correctly. There are different document types on the web. To display a document correctly, the browser must know both type and version. The Doctype declaration is not case-sensitive. All cases are acceptable. HTML versions. Since the early days of the web, there have been many versions of HTML.
You